Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and installing any pending system updates. This prevents incompatibility. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and you have at least 200 MB free so downloads complete reliably. Next, open the Vivo Themes app or go to Settings Wallpapers. This is where Live Wallpapers live. Tap the Live Wallpapers section to load available options. You're now ready to pick a source, built-in, downloaded, or a third-party APK, so proceed to choose one. You tap a candidate wallpaper to preview its animation and estimate battery impact. This quick check avoids surprises. Then use Customize to tweak animation speed, loop behavior, touch reactions, and whether audio plays. These settings control experience and power. If the wallpaper requires extra assets, tap Download and grant storage or sound permissions. Make sure to monitor the download progress. Once satisfied, hit Set Wallpaper and choose whether to apply to Home, Lock Screen, or both. You apply the live wallpaper to Home, Lock, or both and confirm the animation runs smoothly. Watch for stutter or battery heat. If performance lags, reduce animation speed, disable touch effects, or apply only to one screen to save resources. Make sure battery saver is off while testing. If the wallpaper won't set, clear the Themes app cache, reboot the phone, and reattempt. This resolves most permission or loading conflicts. Finally, reinstall the wallpaper pack if problems persist and contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.